It's quite a dark day that I've been summoned to leave the funeral service of the learned judge Majanja, who died, to come and deal with a question of an illegality being committed by a state agency. I have now full instructions from all the stakeholders in the media industry to pursue this matter legally. First, the circular of the Director of Public Prosecution rests the responsibility of investigate police abuse, police misbehavior on the office of the IPOA. From here, we shall record a statement, a complaint at IPOA, because that is the constitutional office allowed to deal with this matter. After that, we shall institute a suit to compel IPOA and the National Police Service Commission to interdict the police officers who are involved in the act that has been committed to one of the journalists, a prominent journalist, a name in the industry that anybody cannot claim that they do not know him, that they went for him with a mistaken identity. Two, the law, the police standing orders, the Criminal Procedure Code provides for the manner in which a suspect is supposed to be arrested. Nobody is saying Macharia Gaitho cannot commit a crime. He can't commit a crime. He's not above the law. But the law must be applied when arresting him, when charging him, when arraigning him before a police cell for him to be transmitted to court. So we shall be moving very swiftly today to implement the two legal instruments available for the citizens of this country. Third, this is not an isolated event. This is not an event that anybody can say that it was a mistaken identity. For the DCI to trail serious data has been analyzed, profiling has been done, risks have been assessed, timing has been agreed, and how to execute that matter. My good friend here tells me he was living at home, and as they were driving out of the home, suspicious vehicles started trailing him. So as they were trailing him, they knew who they were trailing. They were not trailing a ghost. He immediately sensed, being a veteran journalist, and instructed the driver to rush to the nearest police station. The speed of the car and the expertise of the driver and the instinct of Macharia saved him. Had he been intercepted before he reached at the police station, the destination could be either quarry, dumping site, could be anywhere where nobody knows. Still, the trailers had the audacity to come to the police station and manhandle Macharia Gaitho. If you can see, these are injuries. This is what the law says, that torture was banned in this country. This is what was said, that the police will only be allowed to use reasonable force if the person being arrested resists. Macharia Gaitho was within the police station, within the police premises. Why on earth will anybody want to do this to us? We shall be seeking that these cannot be police officers. These must be extrajudicial people appointed to execute illegal orders, and we shall move very fast to get the perpetrators of such a crime outside. What would happen to an ordinary Kenyan, unknown, whose face is not known in this country, if it can be done to a senior media personality to this. Is this an isolated attack on the freedom of the journalism, the freedom of the media? It is not. It is a well choreographed attack, systematic attack to make sure that the media does not discharge their mandate. The fourth estate is protected by the constitution of this country. It is protected by the statutory provisions of this country, and we shall be calling upon the new acting DIG to take charge of his people, and they operate within the law. Otherwise, the media cannot stop from discharging its mandate. Remember, the media never causes news. It reports news. They are a messenger. They can only report what has happened. They do not create news. So if anybody is aggrieved with the manner the media is relaying the messages that are being in real time, it's too late. The media will discharge its mandate today, tomorrow, yesterday, and for all the time that the country is a democratically country that is being governed by the country. So, on notice of this, we shall be in your offices shortly to put the statement so that we record that statement, and we expect by close of business today, the perpetrators will have been arrested and have been, the file being forwarded to the Director of Public Prosecution for the singular purpose to prosecute. This is a matter of great public interest. Thank you very much.